it's me, Minion. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started. Okay, here's the quadratic formula. It's x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So when solving quadratic equations, you might need this formula. Let's move on to a problem where we're going to have to use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation. So let's look at this quadratic equation. We have 2x squared plus 6x plus 3 equals 0. So the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. Knowing that, we can see that the 2 is the a, 6 is the b, and the 3 is the c. Now that we know what a is and b is and c is, we can use values for the variables and put them into the quadratic formula. So we're just basically filling in those numbers. If you look on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see the quadratic formula, so that can help you fill in those numbers. So we have negative b, so b is 6, so it would be negative 6, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so b is 6, so it would be 6 squared minus 4ac, minus 4 times a is 6, and c is 3, over 2 times a, and a is 2. Now let's simplify this further. So if you look under that radical sign, you'll see 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3. 6 squared equals 36, 4 times 2 equals 8, 8 times 3 equals 24, and then 36 minus 24 equals 12, so we can simplify that to the square root of 12. And if you look at the bottom part of that division sign, you'll see 2 times 2 and 2 times 2 equals 4, so we can just simplify that to 4. Okay, so we simplified it down to negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 12 over 4. So we can take this even further and simplify the square root of 12. The square root of 12 can be broken down to the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. The square root of 4 is 2, and we can keep that square root of 3. So we have it simplified down to negative 6 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 3 over 4. We can take this and reduce it even further. Negative 6 over 4 can be reduced to negative 3 over 2, because negative 6 divided by 2 equals negative 3, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2, so that can be reduced to negative 3 over 2. And then we have 2 times the square root of 3 over 4, and you can reduce that too, because 2 over 4 is a half, and you can eliminate that 1, so it'll just be the square root of 3 over 2. So we have it simplified to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 over 2. Okay, we have solved the problem, and we have figured out that x equals negative 3 plus the square root of 3 over 2, and it also equals negative 3 minus the square root of 3 over 2. I hope you understood how we use the quadratic formula. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel.